Good morning, fellas. Alan with the R6. We are at Loch Lomond. This is day 2. We just woke up, or I just woke up, should I say. I have to be honest with you, life on a tent is not really for me. However, when you wake up to this, what else can be better? The only problem is this bloody midget. Now, it's about, I don't even know, I think it's about 6 o'clock in the morning. Everybody's still asleep in their own camper on this, well, everywhere in the campsite. So I just thought I'm gonna take a little walk on the edge of the Loch Lomond, take some pictures if I can, and it's a bit too early, I think, to take the drone out, as I will wake up everyone. But yeah, anyways, today what we're gonna do is wake up. Obviously, once everybody is up, we're gonna plan a route to Isle of Skye if we can. It might be about 7 hours, again 7 hours ride. So yeah, it will be fun, they say. Last night, boys, oh, I can't tell you, rain all night rained. Look at that, just look at that view, awesome. Yeah, and that was one reason I couldn't sleep. The second reason was it was bloody freezing. This is how I slept in my motorbike here. So cold. Yeah, I'll catch up with you later on.